Hi team, hashtag We Gamma Math. We are in our 21st week of school. Amazing. I have my guest recorder with me today. Everybody say, hey Jay.
Hey.
All right, so let's just jump into it. We have some great data that's coming up. Anything that's in green means that it's recent data that we've just seen. Um, we did not have notes from week 20, but we do have notes for 21, which is what we're in now. So much good was happening. Please check out those data roundup emails I sent so you can see what your teammates are doing. And let's get ready for our 1:30 visit. We are doing pretty good with grades, and we're hitting on that. So I want to focus on how we're tracking our data and staying on top of student progress and what we need to go back and do. So I want to give a huge shout out to Miss Russo. Say congratulations, Miss Russo.
Congratulations, Russo.
Yes, you are the winner of our exit ticket tracker prize for the math team. Prados and I will be meeting with you offline to celebrate you for all the hard work you are doing. We're keeping that tracker up to date, including all of your components, doing the reteach, going back in, inputting your grades as your students progress through the week. For everyone else, keep pushing, keep including those grades. If you have a relay or TA grad in your class, the expectation is twice as much because you have two hands. So please make sure that we are getting those exit ticket trackers up to date, and you can just pause and kind of see where yours is as of today. Also, I do want to shout out Miss Allison. I got a chance to jump into their class, and they actually were tracking the data of their students' completion. They were using Illuminate, which is another tool that we use, but I just want to continue to push to track your progress in the exit ticket data. You leaving me? All right. Bye everyone. And so week 21 and beyond. So on Monday, you will have your O3 with Ann 30 minutes on Monday. I will follow up with your final 30 minutes. I'm just doing a quick check. We're going to be going over your exit ticket tracker, looking at your latest exit tickets and seeing how we are going to respond to the data. Also, we do need to be making sure that we are prepared for our January 30th visit. Do know that we will have breakfast and light refreshments on that day. And also, I don't want you to do anything that you already have not been doing. Keep rocking it. You all are amazing. February the 5th is our STEAM day, and you all should have received details in email with your assignments. Allison is the only team leader that will be working with the tech team. You all will be supporting. It's basically showing parents how we run blended learning, answering questions that parents been having about the blended learning and what's the expectations, as well as Raina will be in there to support if we have any parents that need the blended learning tech grant and they need a lender device. Last but not least, we have some more dates coming up in the future. Stay tuned. I'll keep you posted. There is a lot of travel that I'll be doing, but as always, I'll make sure that I'm trying to have touch points with you all so nothing will come as a surprise. Again, let's rock it out. Happy week. Let's make this 1:30 visit a visit to remember. Say bye, Jay.
Bye.